So one way we can use AI tools like Claude and ChatGPT is actually having them work together on something. So in this situation, let me post a prompt in here I already have pre-set up, and it's basically saying, we are a city manager. We're going to begin the annual strategic planning process, and I want it to help me create a step-by-step process for identifying the strategic goals for this year. Help me include all 7 of my departments, which for this example are building services, community services, police, fire, finance, and public works. And please also provide a way that department directors can do a strategic planning process for their own teams as well. We're going to do here, we're going to hit enter here, and Claude is going to help us draft this. Like I said in the previous video, I like using Claude for writing things. I often use this if I have a series of notes that I want to combine together, maybe into a white paper or into a memo. It's really helpful for that. So let's look and see what they do and how they're going to do this for us for this example of being a city manager, identifying a step-by-step process and also tailoring it specifically to each individual team. So here we go. Here's a step-by-step planning process for a city government that includes all 7 departments. We can see here as the planning retreat, send up pre-work for directors to do at the retreat, have each director present a high-level overview of the department, so on and so forth, right? Some really great steps that they have here. Now, what we're going to do here, we're going to simply copy this. We're going to go over here to ChatGPT, and we're going to say, please help me visualize this in a flow chart. I'm going to simply paste it in there. I'm going to edit out the parts that Claude added to it. So I'm going to go like this here. I'm going to edit this out. And just for context, I'm going to say this is a guide to strategic planning for a city. So ChatGPT is going to start thinking, and it's going to use the show me diagram to help me visualize a way to look at this too. So if I want to visualize this instead of just having it as, say, a document, we can put some different spins on things, right? Sometimes it's helpful to see it in a chart as opposed to just words in a paper. So it's creating the flow chart for us. We can see this. We can edit the diagram in a new tab if we wanted to. After it's done, give me the whole spiel here. Let's go to the top and look at this. And here we have it, the one scheduled retreat, 1 to 2 days pre-work, review, identify, or review, assess, identify metrics, group discussion, and so on and so forth. So we can see that we took the simple prompt there, threw it into a chart, and this is just a kind of a linear process chart, what this is here. We can get more complicated if we needed to. We can do more things like this within Claude and ChatGPT and have it go back and forth, which is a really helpful tool and really great way to be able to use and interuse these 2 phenomenal AI tools.